Dragonheart it must be.
What's up, y'all? We're here live again today. We're going to kick off a little bit of lawn maintenance, cut some grass, do some weed eating, trim a tree, make it look nice and pretty like a round circle. This is what we got. All right, here's the equipment we're going to be using today. We got a 12-foot ladder, a Cub Cadet Super LT 1554 Kohler Command 27 horsepower engine with a 54-inch cut, and our Stihl FS 131R super powered weed eater. Now here we got a couple other pieces of equipment we'll be using today. We have the Snapper brand 60 volt max lithium ion hedge trimmer and the Milwaukee Fuel M18 series leaf blower. This is the model number 2724-20, and of course our M18 red lithium high output HD 12 amp hour battery. For our pruning tasks today, we have the Fiskars Power Gear 2 Ultra Blade. Has a little wider opening. You can get around some thicker branches with it. Okay folks, we're going to go ahead and get this mower and this weed eater unloaded, and then we'll kick off the festivities of purtifying this grass today.
Quick little shot here of everything we're going to be cutting.
This is the tree that we usually trim into a circle. I've been doing it yearly. It has gotten a little out of control. We're going to clean that up today. Without any further ado, we're going to get to it.
All right, let's get this grass cut. Dragonheart. What's up, everybody? Had to take a little pause, take a stroll to the truck for some petrol. Because without gas, you ain't gonna cut no grass. Believe that. Hey, buddy. Well, yeah, I think we need some fuel.
What's up, y'all? We just finished up the mowing portion. Now, it's time to do some weed eating. Let's get it done. What's up, y'all? Now that we're done with the weed eating part, we're gonna get this tree trimmed up, make sure it looks good again.
Overgrown it has become.
So, now we gotta do a little cleanup. We're gonna blow everything off and we'll get out of here. All right, y'all. We done picking up them branches. And who picked them up? Numero uno. I leave things up and I put them down.
We're gonna rock out with this little guy right here. I don't know if you've ever used one of these Milwaukees, but these things really blow.
All right. It's time to go live with a little FPB with Dragonheart. First person blowing. Well, that brings this fun little task to a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for checking it out. Show some love.
Show a little love to your boy.
Dragonheart out.
Dragonheart out.